Hello everyone! Welcome back to Basement Dwellers. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I'm playing some Animal Company! Coop will join any second now, but in the meantime I'm gonna do some tricks with this.
Hello!
You're here.
Oh,
You
I
can
love the
finally
ground.
talk in the videos.
Yes, finally. Okay. Hello.
You already have a grappler.
Oh, fudge. That was a waste of money.
Yeah, that's like a waste of 2,000 nuts.
Hold on, I want to see what happened to the snowman. Did the snow melt?
I also wonder what happened to the Christmas present.
Oh, yeah.
Is it still there? It is still winter, and there's still like a lot of snow outside, so I don't know. Let me check the Christmas present. It's still here. Do 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 do. I don't know, but I'm gonna try and fight whatever the Christmas present throws at me. And I instantly died. Where did my body go? Did it go underwater? I think that might be my corpse. No. I have no idea where any of my stuff just went.
Is the pinata bat. It's okay right now.
You want me to launch you over there with my friend launcher?
Yeah.
I guess we are in PvP. Or, I guess, friendly fire. Go on.
He's a grappler.
Thank you, I need that. Get on. Come with me if you want to live.
Okay, hold on. Give me a sec.
Okay.
Give me a sec. Okay, I'm ready. Kill me what? Kill my friend once. I'm gonna kill my friend once. That's okay. Kill my friend twice. You're dead.
How do I even shoot this, honestly? I forgot how to shoot this.
What do you mean you forgot how to?
I got a Glock in my Rari. I no longer have a Glock in my Rari. I'm kinda dead.
Well,
I'm gonna buy a weapon. Like an actual good weapon too. Ooh, they added new weapons.
I know. They added a bubble gun, which is pretty cool.
They did add a bubble gun, that's pretty cool. I wonder what it does. Shoot bubbles. Should I get the Chaos Axe? I got it, already got it stuck in the ground. As soon as I got it, it started moving. Isn't Coda the Creator? Come on. My friend launched my grappler. I found my grappler. Okay. I really hope you weren't a part of that, Coop. Nope. He's alive and ready to murder. Please punch me away. Further than that. Oh gosh, please get me the frick out of here. I cannot live. I cannot live in this condition. I see your Viking hammer. Come on, it went right over his frickin' head. I got your hammer.
Stupid.
No, your hammer! Your hammer just went flying, dude.
Little
That did nothing.
piece of crap.
Like freaking anime battle scene. Come here. How are you still alive, you stupid mimic? The mimic! Oh, sorry. We probably should be playing in this tight of a space together. Finally, I killed Mimic. I finally killed the Mimic! Oh, I killed him! I killed someone. I'm responsible for homicide. On multiple occasions. Help me, I can't look away.
Where's the fight? Not that.
Die!
I'm gonna kick the butt. Aww.
Yep, you can have that one. I got the revolver. Or as you like to call it, shotgun.
Yeah. Oh my god, Randall!
Sorry. I'm gonna shoot them. Get me out of here now!
Randall, where are we gonna... How are we gonna defeat these guys?
I have no idea. We did it once, we can do it again.
We're just dumb basement dwellers.
You make a fair point. How come Mimic is lasting more shots than red light, green light? Nut Shredder! Flash! That did nothing. Hey, Spider! Oh, gosh, dang! Oh, sorry. Thank you. What do you mean the box is already back? What happened to the box? Oh my gosh, I just flung the frickin' box. Come here!
Hey, a grenade launcher.
Oh my gosh, Cooper, look. The skull.
Mine.
How is he still alive? Tell me that. How is... Spider, how are you alive? I missed the pinatas. Alrighty. Time to spread the green spirit. Cause this is Teen Spirit. Die. He's immune to fire. He's immune to freaking fire. I don't know. He's just not catching on fire. The Mimic is withstanding shots from a shotgun. The Mimic might be actually the strongest enemy in the game. By health. Just by health. Because it just survived 2 freaking shots from a shotgun. Yes. Even me? I want to light the Mimic on fire again. It was funny. Oh, he could. That was it. That's all it took. I'm so low health. Be an MRE or something, not a shotgun. Grenade launcher. With no ammo. Yes, MRE. Okay, I like where this is going. Why? Dude, even the shy guy was there. Okay, you killed one. Can't run forever. Nope. Cooper? Cooper, I just found a freaking dragon rocket launcher underground. Whoa, that was close. I just used that dragon rocket launcher to just kill a singular turkey. Here's another chaos axe. And a shotgun shell.
Do not shoot anything. Just don't, please.
And a heart gun. So much good stuff.
Loaded.
No, my freaking.
Okay. That. Oh my gosh.
I got shotgun ammo.
That-
I got shotgun ammo.
Okay, Aaron. I mean, Randall. Is that
Aaron?
Is that green tip? Is Basement Dwellers Animal Company episode done? Because I want to shoot people.
Shoot people! Oh gosh! That's the end of this Basement Dwellers episode. Bye. Subscribe now.